So here we are out here at the patient, and we will go ahead here and open up the disconnect box here. This one's a little, there we go. Go ahead and just pull that out. Ow! What the heck? Well, now this is unusual. No, maybe not. Not for this house. But, okay. Apparently, I've got to hold everything. There we go. Go ahead, push the screws out. Okay. So we check to see what the run capacitor is, and it is a dual 55 plus 5, and it's round, so that's what we got to go by. So I've experienced in the past where occasionally a run capacitor will be bad right out of the box. So let's unbox this and test it. Yeah, of course, it's a 55 plus 5 at 440 volts. So what we're going to do is we'll put my meter here, okay, to read microfarad, and so we'll test from common to Herm, which is the compressor side. Let's see what we get here. It should be 55 or thereabouts. Well, okay, pretty close. Come on, 55. Whoops, wait a minute. Let's try that again. Okay, 55.2. Okay, now we will test between common and fan. Let's see what we get. Should be 5, and it is. Well, 5.1. Okay, so we're good. Okay, now let's verify that the power is dead. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to test from, we'll say, one side of this contactor, which would have voltage, to something that's ground, and we got nothing. So, well, to speak of here. Okay, go ahead and I've already loosened this one. Not here. Let me see. Oh, guess I'll have to. So now I'll pull this nut out here. Just to be on the safe side here, I'm going to sort of short out, anything in case if there's any residual, power in this capacitor there. So first, I'll disconnect this one. Okay, Herm is, I guess that one there is Herm. Before I actually connect this solderless connector, okay, I'm going to just sort of squish this in just a little bit, just to ensure that it has a good solid connection. Not too much. You don't want to pinch it too hard, otherwise it won't. Otherwise, you'll never get it on there. There we go. Well, it's rule of thumb. The brown is going to be your fan wire. Again, kind of pinch that in a little bit. It was pretty loose, by the way, on the other capacitors. So now back in here on the fan side, I'm going to put the fan on, and then here on the for the common wires, I'll just pull them off. There's two of them. There we go. And of course, pinch these wires in a little tighter, a little bit. There we go. There's one. Alrighty. Let's see. Okay. And then here's the other wire. And just kind of squish that in just a little bit. Make sure I make a good connection here. Set this back here. Alright. Okay. There we go. That's on there pretty good. Okay. There's that. That's in there. It's in there pretty good. Okay. These screws in place here. Go. Plug in the disconnect again. It should run. Okay, so let's just test this capacitor anyway, right? Just to see if it's any good. There we go. This is the fan side. And let's see, oh, well, look at there. It's good. Okay, so the fan side looks, hold on. Yeah, okay, the fan side looks good. And let's test the compressor side of this, right? So actually the compressor side doesn't look to be all that bad, really. Look at there. I'm going to keep this as an emergency backup. You know, because you never know, right? And there it is. He's running good. Thank you for watching.